Happy Friday. Dunraven, Mill on the Hill. Got another walnut on you here for you. Just realized I'm running real low on 5/4 walnut charcuterie board blanks or shelves if you want to do that, but most people want the charcuterie board. So got this little, it's about 14 on this big side, 12 on the small side, 8'2" walnut. Pith crack, well, it goes both ways, so choose your poison either way on this one. It does have an old limb feature here that could come out on this side, and the claws on the machine when they picked it up damaged that part. But I do have a girl that wants these outer bark pieces for growing ferns, so she's going to get those. But on this side, as you see, the pith crack is totally upside down T, so it's 45 degrees from the other side. And it does kind of have a little twist in it, a little bow right here on the high and then low. So not straight, definitely not veneer, but anyways, we're going to show you what it looks like. 5/4 boards on this whole log. Be right back with the next first cut.